We're solving problem 18 from the 2021 AMC 12A. Let f be a function defined on the set of positive rational numbers with the property that f of a times b is f of a plus f of b for all positive rational numbers a and b. Suppose that f also has the property that f of p is p for every prime number p. For which of the following numbers x is f of x less than 0? A 17 over 32, B 11 over 16, C 7 over 9, D 7 over 6, or E 25 over 11. So what you want to do in this problem is kind of a critical thinking, because you want to find a ways to test every single one of these answer choices to see if they're negative or not. And testing is a viable option here because the problem states for which of the following numbers. That implies that there could be more than one of the numbers on the answer choices here as shown. That's why even if you try to solve for the numbers, you might not get the right one, and you might get a total wrong number that's not even on here. So what you can realize is that if you combine these two together, if you just take f of all of these fractions, it's not really gonna work out that well, and it's not gonna be that good. Instead, what you can do is you can realize that, since all of these are fractions, if you multiply them by their denominators, they'll become whole numbers. If that's the case, then that means we can take their nominators and then find a way of things to do with them, because you can divide them by their denominator to get the fraction. So let's take answer choice A, for example, 17 over 32. We know that 17 over 32 is equal to 17 divided by 32. So if we say that f of 17 is equal to f of 17 over 32 times 32, that would be a viable option. And then, since we can break off 32 because that's not a fraction, so we get f of 17 over 32 and plus f of 32. Now, we want to break 32 up such that it becomes a real number in a sense, and f of p is equal to p, and f of a times b is a plus b. 32 is 2 to the power of 5, so when you break it up, there will be 5 2's. So when you add all those 5 2's together, that'll be 10. And we have this, and now we want to find, or we can equate it to the actual value of f of 17. Since 17 is a prime, that's just equal to 17, and we find out that f of 17 over 32 is equal to 7. Notice how we equated this equation to 17, because in the end they're all equal to f of 17. So you can use this method to test all of the answer choices shown until you reach answer choice E. I'm saying this right now, so you'd obviously think that's correct, and it is. I'll show it to you. F of 25 is equal to f of 25 over 11 times 11, which is f of 25 over 11. And then, since 11 is a prime number, f of 11 is just 11. And, what are the prime factors of 25? 25 is 5 squared, so that's 2 2's, and two 5's. So when you sum two 5s together, that's 10. Finally, you get that f of 25 over 11 is equal to -1, or a value that is under 0. So for this problem, our answer is E 25 over 11.